Once upon a time, in a bustling little town, there lived Chef Whiskers Asterisk, a jolly, plump cat with a passion for cooking. Every Saturday, he would waddle to the local market, his whiskers twitching with excitement. With a twinkle in his eye, he'd carefully select the freshest vegetables, crunchy carrots, vibrant bell peppers, and leafy greens. After his shopping spree, he'd scamper back home, where he'd wash the veggies with great care, ensuring they were squeaky clean. Then, in his cozy kitchen, Chef Whiskers would chop, sauté, and season his delightful creations. Finally, he would sit down at his little table, savoring each bite of his delicious meal, purring in satisfaction. And so, Chef Whiskers continued to live happily, cooking and feasting on the bounty of his beloved market every week.